Welcome to our channel. Did you know that tech leads may earn up to $165,000 annually? Today, we'll explore whether their work justifies such a salary. And in doing so, we'll explore their core responsibilities and the cheat sheet our Jelvix tech leads rely on when carrying out projects. So, let's get started. We are Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure to watch till the end of the video, as we prepared a quiz for you to see if you could be a good fit for a tech lead role. Starting off, let's imagine a Jelvix tech lead overseeing a project to develop an e-commerce platform for a growing retail business. For many projects like this, a tech lead performs the role of a team lead, being a technical expert responsible for guiding a team's technical direction, decisions, and overall progress. But back to the project. Our platform needs to handle high traffic during sales seasons, integrate with various payment gateways, and scale as the business grows. So in this project, the tech lead's role covers several critical areas: development, product, and leadership. Speaking of the development area, the tech lead is accountable for guiding the entire technical direction of the platform. This includes setting the technical vision, choosing the right technologies, setting technical milestones, and managing other tech-related processes. The core goal here, ensuring that the technical solution aligns with business goals. In the case of an e-commerce platform, it's scalability, security, and seamless performance during high traffic periods of seasonal sales. Next up, the tech lead must select the right technologies that will power the platform. This includes choosing the cloud infrastructure, data storage systems, containerization technologies, APIs, and others. For our reviewed e-commerce project, the integration with third-party services is critical to ensure real-time updates for orders, payments, and stock levels, avoiding any disruptions in service. Now, as development progresses, technical challenges inevitably arise, and they all have to be addressed efficiently. To do that, the tech lead will provide insightful recommendations to senior or middle developers to solve the problem. For example, one such challenge is handling performance bottlenecks caused by high user traffic. The tech lead addresses them by optimizing database queries, reducing latency, implementing load balancing, and improving caching strategies, to name a few. This is vital for providing a positive user experience at all times. Speaking of challenges, scalability is another factor the tech leader has to consider. It's the tech lead's responsibility to focus on designing and implementing the system architecture. For an e-commerce project, in particular, he needs to ensure a flexible architecture capable of scaling as traffic increases. Besides, the tech lead must optimize database schemas for high-volume data storage, plus ensure quick retrieval for a seamless customer experience. Horizontal and vertical scaling, microservices, geo-based distribution, auto-scaling groups, and cloud environments. The solutions to handle increased traffic are multiple here. Hence, it's all about the tech lead's proficiency and expertise. Moving on, ensuring code quality is another tech lead's key responsibility. The tech lead regularly reviews the codebase, enforces coding guidelines, and ensures that the code is clean, modular, and well documented. Another crucial responsibility here is working alongside developers to refine their code and identify any potential inefficiencies early in the development cycle. In doing so, they also implement automated testing frameworks, including unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end testing methods. In the product area, the tech lead ensures that the technical solution aligns with business goals. He oversees feature testing using methods like A/B testing and feature flags to validate new features in a production-like environment before launch. The tech lead is also responsible for ensuring UI consistency and performance across the platform. Additionally, he manages complex third-party integrations and oversees the product roadmap for continuous improvement. Finally, here we come to the leadership area, where the tech lead plays a critical role in fostering team growth. In doing so, he's responsible for mentoring junior developers and ensuring the team remains motivated and aligned with project goals. The tech lead also facilitates proactive cross-department collaboration. As a decision maker, he provides direction on technical approaches and manages feedback loops to resolve complex issues that arise during development. Additionally, he focuses on identifying and mitigating potential technical challenges early on. So here you have it, a comprehensive 360-degree view of a tech lead's responsibilities in development, product, and leadership. However, note that this is just the tip of the iceberg, as each project led by a tech lead may have its unique nuances and additional requirements. So, have you determined if you're well suited for the role of a tech lead? We've got you covered. Let me ask you a few questions, and your total score will reveal the final verdict. First, how many years of hands-on development experience do you have? Mark your score and let's move on. The second question is, what types of testing and quality assurance practices are you familiar with? For each of them scored, add an extra 2 points. Next on, Agile or Scrum, Kanban, Waterfall, and test-driven development are important for a tech lead to effectively manage project timelines, ensure flexibility in workflows, and maintain high code quality. So, are you equipped with those? Besides, how effectively can you identify risks in a project? This way, tech leads can proactively address potential issues, minimize project disruptions, and ensure timely delivery. Finally, last but not least, here comes cross-department collaboration. Without it, tech leads may risk having a lack of coordination between teams, ultimately leading to delays and hindering project success. So, how many points did you score? Drop your final rating in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed these insights and the video. If so, don't forget to support us by liking this video, subscribing, and pressing the bell button. Also, check out our other trending videos. We promise it'll surprise you. Stay tuned, and bye for now.